alright.
Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Snaps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a follow button to your Facebook page. So the entire process I'm showing it in my Android phone, and I'm going to show this process in a very easy and step-by-step manner. So I request all of you to watch this video till the end. So without any delay, let's get started. So first you need to open the Play Store and you need to install the Facebook app on your phone. So I have already installed the Facebook app on my phone. So let's go with it. So when you open Facebook, this will be visible to you, right? So now if you see on the top, there are some options visible to us, right? So now you need to click on 3 lines option. So after clicking on the 3 lines option, again there are some options visible to you, right? So now you need to click on the pages option. After clicking on the pages option, your page will be visible to you. So click on your page. So Inspirite is my page, so I'm clicking on that. After clicking on your page, again on the top there are some options visible to you, right? So as you can see, there are some options visible to you. Now you need to click on the more option. After clicking on the more option, as you scroll down, there is an option called edit page. So you need to click on that. After clicking on the edit page, there is something visible to you on the screen like this: current template business edit. So now you need to click on the edit option. After clicking on the edit option, there will be different templates available to you. But now you need to choose the video page template. Okay, so as you scroll down, you can see that. See, video page designed to showcase video content on your page. So now you need to click on this. So after clicking on this, at the bottom you can see an option called apply template. So you need to click on that. So after clicking on that, please do not forget to save on the top. That's it. So to show proof that a follow button is added to my Facebook page, I'm going to refresh my Facebook page and show you. Okay, so I'm clicking on 3 lines, I'm clicking on pages, I'm clicking on my page Inspirite, and on the top you can see an option called page. So click on that. See, follow button is added to my Facebook page. So I hope you understood the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe.